This is my review of the LABOREDUCER solar LED lights on a copper string. These are really quite cool. First of all, they are solar, and that means you can put them anywhere outside where you're going to get some sunshine. You could also have these indoors and have them by a light source, or I've used solar lights before in my bedroom and just had the sensor, the solar panel facing the window so it gets enough sunlight. It doesn't take a lot of light to get these charged up. I'm in the Pacific Northwest where we have lots of gray days, but there's always enough power generated even on cloudy days to light these. These are 33 feet long, which is really quite long. What's cool is I got these because I have this new awesome giant spider web for my Halloween decorations, and I wanted to put some light on it, but most of the lights are going to be too heavy, and they also detract because you're really going to see the light cords. But with these, all you see is the light. The copper cord is so thin that you don't see it at all. It almost looks like the web itself is lit up. There's also and to attach them to here, unlike other lights where you'd have to use like twisty ties or something, you just take the copper wire and bend it a little bit around every foot or so. I bent it. That's enough to keep it in place. So really super easy to install. Whoops, as I trip and knock over the solar panel. Now the panel does have an on-off switch on it, so you can turn it on and off. It also has multi-functions, so you can see this is chasing twinkly lights. This is, I believe, this is either the fade or the steady. I think that's the steady. This is another, one of these I know is, I haven't gone through all the cycles, but I know one of them goes through all the different functions, so I want to find that one. This might be it, because see, it's going kind of slower and then faster. This one alternates. It's kind of neat. Blue and green, or pink and looks like a yellow or orange. Another cool thing about these lights is they're kind of for any holiday because they're not too Christmassy and they're not too Halloween. They're kind of neutral colors. But yeah, this is a really cool sequence. It's just changing the different... Ooh, this might be the all function. And then this is a slow fade in and out. And then this is a rapid twinkle. That's really pretty cool. And I think this, I'll have to look at the instructions. I'm not sure all of these sequences. But, of course, now I'm never going to find the sequence that I wanted. But they're steady, twinkle. Let's find the alternating one again, this one. I think I like this one the best. It's really kind of neat. But yeah, I highly recommend these. They were a really good deal too. It was $14.99 for 2 sets of them. This is just one set since they're so long, so I've got a whole nother set to use. So really cool. If I wanted to, which I'm not going to just because I don't want to overkill this with lights, but I could string the other lights up along the rest of this web. But I kind of like it just to frame it. But really cool. Definitely check these out. And again, they're only $14.99 for 2 entire sets.